Hey everyone, Kendall Trotter back here with another model home tour. Today we are back at the Catalina subdivision by Pulte Homes. We're touring the Camelia model, which comes in at $282,880, but it is 2135 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. So quite affordable for a brand new home starting out there. It's located on Ann Road and close to 5th Street, which is pretty close to Nellis Air Force Base for all you active military. And of course, it's close to shopping, dining, and schools. So everything is right there. Pretty nice little subdivision that Pulte's got going on there. And HOA is only $43 a month. So if you are interested in this home, you can feel free to message me here on YouTube, or all my contact information is below. And don't forget, subscribe to this channel. I have many, many, many more home tours coming. Thanks for watching. God bless. Enjoy the home.